Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to set up your CRM settings. The purpose of the CRM settings is to determine where the patients heard about the practice. For example, the internet, radio, advert, social media, word of mouth, etc. Before you set up your CRM in the Entity Settings tab, you must enable it in the Diary Settings panel under the Diary Settings tab. To access the settings from the diary screen, click on the Settings button in the top right corner. Click on the Entity Settings tab. Take note that the entity settings are set per entity to customize the program to the specific needs of the practice. Click on the CRM Settings panel to expand it. The name field is the name of the CRM option, for example, Facebook or Google. The disabled tick box is there if you want to remove the CRM option. Simply tick the box and it will remove the selected option from the list. Click on the grey Add New CRM button to add a new option. A new line will be added where you can give the new option a name. Once done, click on the Save button. For clarification, the CRM feature will be available as a drop-down list on the Add/Edit Booking window. Simply click on the drop-down and select the applicable CRM for the patient's booking.